Welcome back, lovely people. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 bonuses. We're going to discuss 13 rebates, and I've got to share it with my lovely people. Before we get started, guys, let's do a shout out. We must shout out Tiara. Tiara signed up with my referral code for Ibotta, and I received compensation for that. Thank you so much, Tiara. I appreciate you. Yay! All right, lovely people. So the first rebate I did was on the Sargento Reserve series cheese, okay? The sliced Sargento cheese priced $2.98 in my Walmart. There is a 60 cents off of 2 coupon that I used. I purchased 2, so that was $5.96 for the 2. The 60-cent coupon off of 2 came off, making it be $5.36 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate because I purchased the 2. I got $2 back, making the final cost $3.36 for the 2 packs of Sargento cheese. I got the fresh Asiago and the aged white cheddar. Now, this is the thing. There is 2 Sargento's cheese rebates. There is a sliced cheese and there is also a shredded cheese for the Reserve series. Okay, so if you decided to actually find them in your store, I wasn't able to do that because they did not have to shred it in my Walmart. But if you have it in your store, it would be a better deal, not money wise, but rebate wise, because you would be completing 2 separate rebates instead of doing 1 rebate twice. There is a difference. Okay. I decided to do, guys, was on the Always aligners. This is a very small pack. 93 cents in my Walmart. Did not have a coupon, so I paid 93 cents. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate that is attaching to this, making the final cost free, plus a 7-cent moneymaker. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Caress. The Caress body wash was priced $3.97 in my Walmart. I had a $1 coupon that is actually coming out of this insert, the Unilever, for this coming Sunday, 2/14. I will link the insert preview above so you guys can go check it out after you watch this video, okay? All right, so $1 coming off in the store, so I had to pay $2.97 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97 for the Caress body wash. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Dial body wash. These are great Valentine's Day gifts to give to your girlfriend, your sister, your mother. Yeah, they would like this. $3.98 in my Walmart. I did have a $1 coupon that I used, dropping the cost to $2.98 in store is what I had to pay. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.98 for the Dial body wash. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Always pads. The Always pads were priced $3.24 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.24 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.24 for the Always pads. This is a 14 count. Next rebate I did, lovely people, was on the Tampax. Yes, this is a 18 count of tampons, okay? The Tampax were priced $3.83 in my Walmart. Did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.83 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.83 for the Tampax. Next rebate I did was on the Carbona. I told you guys about this in my last Ibotta haul. I love this stuff. I'm going to continue to do this rebate. This one is for removing fat and cooking oil, so grease stains is what they're gonna get this out, and this stuff works. $2.28 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.28 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.28 for the Carbona Stain Devils. Next rebate I did, guys, I was able to do the Hallmark Valentine's Day card rebate again. Yes, and this time I found these, and these were actually priced 97 cents. For this rebate, you must purchase 2 cards. So they were $1.94 for the 2. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.94. But there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making these be free plus a 6 cents money maker. So that is great. I got some Valentine's Day cards. I won't have to spend any money. Yeah. Next rebate, guys, was on the Purex Crystals. The Purex Crystals are priced $2.97 in my Walmart. I did use a coupon from the $1.31 Retail Me Not. $1 coupon came off, making the cost in store $1.97. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 97 cents for the Purex Crystals. This time I got the Cherry Blossom and Ginger. Let's see what it smells like. That smells good. Has a clean scent. This rebate I did, guys, was on the Oscar Mayer lunch meat. Had to get this again because the stuff is good. $3.98, guys. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.98 in store, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.98 for the Oscar Mayer. And this time I got the turkey. I started to get the roast beef, but I didn't. So probably next time I'll get the roast beef because I haven't tried the roast beef yet. Next rebate I did, guys, was the Renews-Its again, of course, $2.48 in my Walmart. I did use that $1 coupon, dropping the cost in store to $1.48. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 48 cents for the 3-pack of Renews-Its little scent cones. Next rebate, guys, I did was on the Persil laundry detergent. The Persil, this is a 15 count. It was priced $4.94 in my Walmart. I used that $2 coupon from the 2.7 Retail Me Not, dropping the cost in store to $2.94. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 94 cents for the Persil, which is a great deal for laundry. That's definitely a stock up price. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Skinny Cow. Yes, auntie. Had to do the Skinny Cow again, guys. $3.98 is the cost in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.98 in store, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.98 for the Skinny Cow. Now let me know in the comments below, guys, did you all see my post that I did in the community tab about my ice cream cake that I made with my Skinny Cow ice cream sandwiches? Let me tell you about the Skinny Cow. Skinny Cow ice cream, it says that it is light ice cream, but the ice cream doesn't taste like light ice cream. It tastes like ice cream. It's good to me. So what I did, guys, I made an ice cream cake, pop a picture in so you guys can see it. Absolutely delicious. I still have some. I might go cut a piece and pop it in for you. Pop in a piece for you guys. I'm gonna pop in some pictures so you guys can see my ice cream cake. I was so proud of it. It was so funny because, you know, these are round. Okay, so I told my husband, I was like, oh Lord, how am I gonna make a cake and these are round? Not even thinking they're round, they're not gonna butt up to each other. But I promise you, it didn't even matter, guys. So what I did the bottom layer of ice cream sandwiches, got some Breyers ice cream, and I actually used 2 different flavors of Breyers ice cream. I had a natural vanilla and I had a French vanilla. So one layer I put of Breyers ice cream, then I did layer of sandwiches, another layer of Breyers ice cream, and then I chopped up Oreo cookies, double stuff. Don't do the thin ones. Do double stuffed Oreo cookies and crumble it on the top. Girl, guy, whoever watching, it was good. Let me tell you, it was good. And guess what I put it in? I put it in my Rubbermaid Ibotta rebate container. Love Ibotta. All right, guys, so now let's talk about the numbers. Of course, before I begin any Ibotta haul, I always roll over some Ibotta money so I can pay for my transaction. All right, everything combined together was a total of $44.48. Okay, I actually did separate transactions because I went back in the store and decided to get some more stuff because I came out and I realized I'm close to getting my $10 in cash for my bouquet bonus. Let me go back in the store. So the total of everything was $44.48. I had $6.60 in actual coupons, which dropped my cost in store to $37.88. Now, let's talk about what I got back from Ibotta. In actual rebates, I had $16.10 in rebates, guys. Then in actual bonuses, I had $12.25 in bonuses, which were the following. I got the $10 cash back bouquet bonus, which was for completing 36 rebates. I got a 75-cent bonus for completing the Oscar Mayer bonus because I purchased it 3 times. Then I got the 50 cents bonus for completing my February level 1, which was for 35 rebates. Then I got a $1 mid-week moneymaker, guys. Yeah. Money, money, money. I love Ibotta money. Making the final cost be $9.53. Lovely people. For 15 products, which is 65 cents an item. I think that is excellent, excellent, excellent deal, guys. So happy with my Ibotta haul. Now, let me know in the comments below of the video if this was helpful for you, and if you guys would like to see a video about how I plan my Ibotta hauls. Let me know in the comments below of the video. I want to make videos about what you guys are interested in and what you want to see. So let me know in the comments below the video what you want to learn here on this channel. All right, guys, that is it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.